Hey guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2007 Honda Shadow Spirit 750. It's really pretty simple. I just shut the bike off. I'm going to let it sit here for about a minute so the oil can get down to the bottom here. We're going to loosen the drain bolt, 17 millimeter, and we're going to take off the oil filter right here. Now the oil filter that this calls for, alright, here's the Honda part number, 15410 MFJD01. We're going to be using this factory Honda oil filter on there, and then you can pick out whatever oil you like to use. It calls for 10W40. I'm going to be using a Rotella T4 is what I'm putting in here. So let's get this drained. Dirty. Alright, so we're going to just take a little bit of oil, put it on the threads, and put it on the O-ring. We're going to spin it on until it seats. As soon as it seats, we can do 3/4 of a turn more. You can do this by hand. Alright, filter is on. As soon as it's seated, 3/4 of a turn more, and that's done. Let's put the drain plug back in. It's done draining. There's a crush washer here. Feel free to put a new one on. This one was only used once, so I'm going to reuse it. 17 millimeter, make it tight, don't strip it. Alright, so if you look up how much oil goes in this bike, it's going to show 3 quarts. 3 quarts is when you do a full disassembly, so don't dump 3 quarts in here. If you're going to do just a drain and no filter, it is 2.3 quarts. If you're going to do a filter and an oil drain, it's going to be 2.5. That's what we're going to be doing here. 2.5 quarts, which equals 2,365.8 cc's. That's what we're putting in. Alright guys, so I got the bike upright with some tie downs. I got the bike warmed up, level, got the dipstick out. I'm going to take the dipstick and just dip it in here, but we're not going to screw it in, okay? So we're going to put it all the way in so it sits in there, pull it out, and we're looking for oil on the top line, and we're a little bit low. Alright, so now we're just going to put a little bit in just to top it off to that top line. And that's all we're going to do, guys. It's a real simple oil change. Make sure you keep your oil clean in these bikes. Hopefully this helps you out. Remember, bike upright, don't screw it in, just put it in and then take it out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notification, guys. Until next time, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.